Good morning, everyone. I just let her whatever she wanted. Aray. Magado. Can I be your bird? You wanted to be scratched too? Good morning, Magado. Thank you for watching. So that's what you wanted. She just went there on my sleeper. Stay J. Hi. Thank you so much again. Said hi. Hi. Say hi. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Also, your parrot is so cute. Thank you so much, CJ. Ouch. What are you doing down there? What country do you belong, guys? What time is it there in your country? Here in the Philippines, it's already 8:20. Hmm. She's happy. Her name is Happy. Yeah, she is. Oh, Scotland. Good morning there in Scotland. I think it's time for you to sleep. Happy, yeah. Her name is Happy. And I think she's happy. Oh no. She's here on my head. Look at that. Happy. Mm, stay there. Wait. Hey, not my phone. I fell asleep on the couch earlier, so now I'm awake. Happy is playing on my phone. She's biting my phone. She loves playing my phone too. Hey, come here. I think she's angry. No, she's not. She just loves that. She's not angry. Hey, hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Thank you also for subscribing and for watching this video. Video of Happy. Hi. Hi. Hey, 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 where are you going? So here. Wait, wait. No, where are you going again? Wait, you stay there. Ouch. Ah. Hey. Thank you. Accident, accident. No, 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 no. Happy. Yeah, Happy is a girl. She's a girl. Ah, she wanted to scratch. She'd hold this. You want me to scratch you? Okay, here. She want me to scratch her head. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. You're so cute. That's what she wanted. Excuse me. That's what she wanted. Scratching her neck, scratching her head. Wait. Why? Looks fun. Ang likod. Let Happy dance. Happy, they wanted to watch you dancing. I will be the one who will dance na lang. Guys, I have to go. Thank you for watching because I have something to do. Maybe I'll get back later when I have a free time. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much, J. Thank you, Magadu. Am I pronouncing it right? Magadu. Bye. Thank you so much again. Thanks for your time.